Third grade painted Indian elephants. Let's take a look at some of these beautifully painted elephants. We will be drawing an elephant's body today. This is what an elephant can look like. We're going to be breaking down his body into simple shapes. Let's see what we need for today's project. You will need a white piece of paper. Copy paper will not work. A pencil, a body tracer, or you can just draw a large oval. A learn how to draw elephant paper, but you can watch what's on the video if you can't print it out. You will need a black Mr. Sketch marker or something that's water soluble. Crayola works as well. You're going to need strips of 1-inch paper. This will be construction paper, different colors. We're going to cut these into squares. You'll need a glue stick. You'll need a sheet of 9 by 12 construction paper, any color you want, a cup of water, and a brush. Hit pause. Keeping your white paper in the portrait position, you're going to draw or trace the body oval in pencil. This should be done right in the middle. It could be done a little bit closer to the top because we have to draw legs underneath the elephant. The Learn How to Draw paper is right next to you so you can see it on the screen. Let's take a look at it. You'll be drawing the body, the head, the trunk, the tusk, the ears, the tail and the eye, and then the legs. Go ahead and draw these lightly in pencil. Next, you're going to trace over all of those lines with a black Mr. Sketch marker. Remember, this marker has to be water soluble. Sharpie markers are permanent. You can't use those. Now, when you're ready, you're going to get a cup of water and a brush. And you're going to set this in front of you and wet your brush and start touching the black marker with your brush. It creates a gray colored paint, and that's what you're going to use to fill in your elephant. It's kind of cool to watch it. So go ahead and start painting with water. Make sure you touch the wet brush to the marker to pick up the color. When you're finished, we have two options. We can either put this on the drying rack, or you can bring it up to me and I can iron it for you to get it done quickly. But we have some things to do in the meantime, so let's take a look at what's next. Go ahead and finish your elephant and then move forward, so hit pause when you're done here. Now those strips of paper that you have, I want you to cut them into squares, and you're going to take 4 of those squares and glue them to the corners of your paper, like this. Take a look. Do you see how there's each square in a corner? That's what you want. You want to put your name on the back. Please don't forget. Now the fun part. You're going to be adding squares the whole way around your paper. If you're in class, I have scrapbook paper squares that you're going to use. But if you're at home, you can just use colored construction paper for your squares. Go ahead and make a border of squares the whole way around your paper. This is all the further that we're going to get today. I want to make sure that you have your elephant done today and your squares done today. Clean up. You don't have to put anything on Artsonia because we're working on this next week as well. Bye-bye.